Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you what you can do in order to fix mobile network issues on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. So if you have troubles with mobile network, here's what you can do. The first thing that you can do is open the quick access options, and of course you need to make sure that the mobile data is enabled. You might be surprising how often people forget to turn on mobile data after turning it off for some reason. And another thing that you can also check in this panel is the airplane mode. Make sure that the airplane mode is disabled. Another thing that you can do to try to fix the issues with mobile network is you can go to settings, and then in the settings you want to scroll down to system, go to reset options, and then over here you have reset mobile network settings. So go over here and then tap reset settings. You might need to enter your PIN code or anything else that you have enabled on your device. And after that, check if it's possible to use mobile network without any issues. If that doesn't work, there is one more thing that you can do. However, this is the thing that you should do this as a last step, obviously, because I'm talking about the factory reset. So we can erase all data in order to perform the full reset of our smartphone. However, keep in mind that everything will be deleted from your smartphone, so if you have something important on your device, then make sure to make a backup before you do that. And like I said, this is the thing that you should do as the last step. If nothing else works, try to perform this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.